Alright fans, we're going to follow the checking out Super Farm all the way to the starting line here tonight. So they're fixing to hook him up with a tractor, and what they're doing, we're over in Broadbent Arena, National Farmer Shooting Show Championship Tractor Pull. Tonight is Super Farm qualifying, and so what they're going to do is they're going to pick him up on the hook, take him outside. When he gets outside, he's going to get started, warm it up a bit. And then they'll take him into the arena, and then it'll be time for Super Farm class to run. And there we go. That's how it works. Don't run these. See ya. You don't run these motors to get over to the arena. That sort of thing. This is how it works. And then after they run, if they finish in the top 4, they bring it back over here, across the scales and weigh, and then check the fuel and water in this particular class, make sure everything's kosher, and then they're in the show for Saturday night. Checking hitch height right here. So there we go. Right there. So good to go on a hitch height. All right. Yeah, sort of good to go. And then Mears checks the hitch height. It's John Mears of the Pro Bowling League. Right there with the headphones on. Make sure everything's kosher. They want to get that hitch as high as possible to get as much weight pressing down on the back tires. So now we're going to take him outside, start him up, and we'll follow for video 2.